Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Nanoleaf Lines wall light, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Nanoleaf Lines wall light, a power supply, a power connector, controller cap, connector cap, mounting supplies, mounting connectors, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Installation. Before installation, separate the lines according to your design and clean the wall surface from dust, moisture, and oil. Avoid using mounting tape on textured surfaces like brick or wallpaper. Connect the power, remove the tape backing, and place the design on the wall. Press each connector for 30 seconds to secure the setup. For removal, unplug the power, remove connector caps and lines, gently detach the mounting connectors, and pull the tape parallel to the wall to safely remove the panels. How to pair? To pair your Nanoleaf Lines, use a compatible iOS or Android device with Bluetooth enabled and connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Keep the QR code or 8-digit pairing code ready from the power supply or quick start guide. In the Nanoleaf app, tap Add Device, scan the QR code or enter the code manually, and follow the setup instructions. Once paired, you can control brightness, colors, scenes, schedules, and screen mirroring directly from the app. How to reset. For a soft reset, press and hold the reset button on the processor for 15 seconds until the light starts flashing. Release the button, wait until the light stays steady, then remove the device from the Nanoleaf app and pair it again. For a hard reset, unplug the power, hold the reset button while reconnecting power, and release when the light turns on. Wait for the reboot process to complete, then set up your Nanoleaf Lines again. Smart features? Create an immersive atmosphere with lights that respond to music beats in real time, producing dynamic colors and animated effects. Customize colors, brightness, and lighting scenes easily through the Nanoleaf app with smart control from your phone. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Nanoleaf Lines wall light. See you in the next one.